Cesar the Magic Sneezer. Tale 1. Cesar's nose is powerful, make no mistake. On a cold winter night, he sneezed into a snowflake. Ah-choo! He danced across the sky with a form so unique, but instantly melted on someone's warm cheek. Tale 2. Cesar's first magic sneeze happened the day he was born. When the doctor delivered him, he sneezed into corn. Achoo! His parents and sisters all fainted with shock. So he sneezed back into a baby, and in his cradle did rock. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you and your friends never miss an adventure. Achoo!